What you're looking at is the almonds, the blossoms. But if you notice how white it is underneath the trees, let me go out my window. That's because of the rain we had knocking the blossoms off of the trees. Yeah, and I tell you what, they are predicting more heavy rains. That can knock even more off of the trees. Each one of those blossoms laying on the ground is a potential almond. So as you can see, I hope, that's a lot of almonds that are not going to be produced. So anyway, but I'm not a almond grower. Pretty amazing, huh? But that's farming, huh? I mean, really. I'd say about 50% or so, yeah, the blossoms are laying on the ground. Anyway, you know what that might do? Drive the price of almonds up. Oh, well. Joys of being a farmer. See you later. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your nuts.